We're gonna try to upgrade that with this. Step one is we gotta get this old latch and lock assembly out of here. You can see there's a couple of screws right here on this plate that have to come out. And then there's 4 screws on the inside of this handle that have to come out. Got these screws out. That little plate comes off. And now this whole lock and latch mechanism should just pop right out. So here's our new latch mechanism. I gotta be honest, it looks huge compared to the hole in the door. Comes with all the necessary hardware that you need. Now you can get these cylinders keyed to any key code that you want. And with the Global Lock key system, I think there's like almost 100 different key codes. So I had these cylinders keyed to match everything else in the RV. And they gave me a couple extra keys for that. All right, so here's the outside of our new lock mechanism. There's the latch that goes in. And you can see there's a little wire right here that connects to the inside where the battery is. So in order to get this to fit through the door, I'm gonna take this little wire and tuck it just like this. And then this whole thing is gonna scoop right into that hole. All right, here we go. And there it is. So that's what it's gonna look like from the outside.